Hey YouTube, Sweetknives here. Thanks for checking out another sharpening video. This is part 2. Actually, it's almost part 3. I want to let you guys know of a very important tip. I was sharpening this knife for a buddy, and this doesn't happen too often, but I made a big mistake. And the big mistake is I forgot to put a little piece of chamois cloth. This is a chamois. You can get these anywhere, Harbor Freight, Walmart, and you can cut them into these little pieces. And what I did is I popped these two pins. You see there's a pin here and a pin here. This is for the wicked edge. You can just take this tool here and you can push these on both sides and then take the other one and push it all the way through. Then these come apart. You can clean it. What you need is a little bit of double-sided sticky tape, and then you can put these little chamois cloths on the inside perfectly and align it. And what happens is that protects the knife. If you don't do that, you get, I don't know if you can see this. This is the other one. I don't know if that's going to show up very well. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, see that? You see how those marks were there? That's what happens when you don't put the chamois cloth on a new knife. So here we are. Gonna do it again, and this time I got it all right. So let's rock and roll, guys. This is all lined up. I put the marker on. We're at about 18 degrees. This is 200 grit, and we're ready to rock and we're ready to roll. And just stay tuned. We're gonna make this knife perfectly mirrored sharp, so hang tight. We'll just go up and down a little bit. I've already matched the angle, so we already know it's perfect. Yeah, see? Coming right off. Be very careful on that tip. You don't wanna roll it. So you just keep kind of working it back and forth until you get it to kind of how you want it. This takes practice. But you can see it's working out really good. And the knife is very secure now that I got the chamois cloth in there. It's a very hard steel. This is M4. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get one of those microfiber cloths. Hang on. I'm back. You can see it's already developing a burr. But we're gonna keep going a little bit more. Close. We're really close. It's critical to spend extra time on this step, because if you don't, the other steps don't matter. You may have noticed I had to take out that thumb stud right there. Otherwise these would hit it. Anywhere there's marker, like right there, we got to keep going. Alright, we're done with that one. Let's clean this off a little bit. Use a clean part of the rag, clean that off. Let's move on to 400 and 600. And these were all clean prior to starting, so everything's really good. Let's just go up and down a little bit. Everything still looks good. Keep cleaning it. That's it with 400. Now we're moving on to 6. that's it with 600. Now we're moving on to 800 and 1,000. So here we go. Start with 800. And then we'll move to 1,000. Very sharp. Okay, that's about it. This one's going so good. We're moving right along. Now we're going to 1,000 grit. All right, that's it with that one. Now we're moving on to the lapping films, and I'm using that new piece from Bradley. It's a really sweet design. You guys can buy it if you want. And that's these ones here. I actually have, that's what it kind of looks like, and there's 4 sides to it. But first we gotta use the glass platings. I don't have 2 sets yet. Bradley needs to get me another one of those plastic pieces. But the first thing is, I'm moving, if you have higher diamonds, you can use them, but right now we're gonna go to 30. This is 30 micron, which is like 600, 700, 800, but it's different because it's lapping film, and you just go away on these ones. You don't go any other way, so you just go away like this. Do about 150 to 100 strokes. That's pretty much it. Now let's take this microfiber cloth, a clean one, clean it a little bit. Now we're moving to 12 micron. Just flip those the other way. Do the same thing, about 50 strokes. that's about it. Okay, now we're moving on to Bradley's special pieces. This is where it starts getting really sweet. Now we're down to 9. So we're gonna start with the blue. These are same exact angle. You really don't even have to check. It's the same exact angle. 100% the right angle. We've already verified all of this. I'm gonna take that chamois again and just clean it. And here we go with 9. Just a second. 9. Just be careful not to cut your thumbs off here, because this is so sharp. That's it. Now we'll go to the pink, which is 3 micron. Just for the hell of it, I'll use another one of these and just get that edge immaculate. Can you guys see the mirror? Mirror starting. All right, now we're going to 1. I'm gonna take another one of those chamois, just clean it one more time. Here we go, here's 1 micron. It's getting wildly wicked sharp. Wonder what this adds in value to a knife. If you had a $200 knife, I think this makes it $250, $230. I don't know. That's it. Now we're moving to the last one. This is 50,000 grit. Can't get any sharper. Here we go. 50,000. That's it, guys. Let's take this out of there. Take another one, make sure that looks good. I'm just cleaning the cleaning the edge. Whew, no marks. It's a good sign. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry about that. I don't know how well this I don't know how well this shows up. Hang on. There's a little bit of marker I gotta still clean off, but I think it turned out really good. I'm gonna just test on the arm here. Kind of hard to get in here, but oh yeah. Damn sharp. All right, guys, thanks for checking it out. That's how you do it. Don't forget the chamois class. Have a great day. Talk to you later.